Here I have NOKIA G20, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set a schedule for it based on your percentage. For example, it could be you can set it on 20%, which means like when your phone is only 20% charged, the power saving mode will turn on automatically, and you can also set it to turn off automatically when your battery is up to 19%. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.